Good morning to all of you. So, welcome you all after vacation. Hope it was fruitful for you all and you refreshed yourself also. And as at the same time, you prepared yourself also for online exams. Now, in our previous class before vacation, we started HTML2, Advanced HTML, and in Advanced HTML, we finished image tag, that is IMG tag actually, right? Which is used to insert an image. So with IMG tag, we have seen many attributes of IMG tag, right? Only align attribute left, which we will cover today today class. So when we want to align the image, when we use align attribute, when we want to align an image in a page, then we use align attribute with the image IMG tag. But this align attribute will align the image according to the line. According to the line, right? That means if you're writing some contents, if you're writing text in a page and inserting image anywhere in between the text, then that text will appear that location only where you are inserting your image. Suppose this is a text, DTHIS, this is one text, and you are inserting your image after THIS, this text, then that image will appear after this word, right? And after this, there is a text is. So then, and you are inserting your image after this word, then that image will be inserted after this word, and before is word means between this and is word, right? That means here image is inserting inside the line wherever you are inserting, right? Now when you are using align attribute, that means the image will aligned here not according to the page, right? But the image will aligned according to the line, whole single line. Wherever it depends on you that on which line you are inserting your image. Suppose you are inserting your image in fourth line using align attribute, then that image will be aligned respective to the fourth line only, not according to the whole page, right? कि भैया अलाइन लिखा, अलाइन इज इक्वल टू लेफ्ट, तो वो लेफ्ट अलाइन हो गया होल पेज के, राइट किया तो राइट अलाइन हो गया होल पेज के, और सेंटर किया तो सेंटर अलाइन हो गया. नो, राइट? When you are using align attribute, then there is no rule of aligning the image to the page, right? So this alignment of image according to the line is known as inline image, right? Known as inline image. So what is inline image? So inline image is when we use align attribute with the image tag, then it aligned according to the line only, and it depends on us that in which line we are inserting the image. If you are inserting your image in fifth line, then it will align in fifth line only, whatever according to the specification you are giving with align attribute and whatever value you are giving, right? Now what are the different values of align attribute? The different values of align attribute are left, right, then top and bottom, and then middle, not center, right? Remember, not center but middle. Done. So with IMG tag we use align attribute apart from some other attributes, and the value of align attribute will be top, bottom, left, right, and middle. That's it, right? And this align attribute will align the image according to the line only, right? That's it for align attribute with IMG tag. Now I'm showing you the preview of C. This is this is an example of inline image where we are going to insert an image and aligning it by the help of align attribute, which takes the five values which are left, right, top, bottom, and middle. Make this M also capital middle. That's it. Now here I am going to insert one image. So write img src is equal to double quote, height is equal to double quote, width is equal to double quote of the image. That's it. And now I'm going to search for an image PC. So here in E drive, come on. This image I am going to put, suppose. So I'm taking the path only, right? Dot it is JPG type of image. Control SC. I'm just copy pasting the file path of the file where here image source in between the double quotes. So e my channel ref unnamed.jpg. This is one of the image, right, which I am going to insert. Height is equal to 50 I am giving here, and width is equal to also I am giving 50, right? And right now I am not using any align attribute, just to show you what happened when you are inserting your image without any attributes, right? Now save it as file, save as img underscore align 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 dot htm or html. I am saving it in my desktop only, and now in the desktop here it is file. I am opening it with Chrome or any, preferably I will open it in Internet Explorer. And now see, here it is Internet Explorer. Now here it is showing you, see. So this is an example of inline image. So see the content. This is an example of inline image, and where I have inserted my image here src img after middle, right? Middle and full stop. So after middle and full stop, here I have inserted my image, and after this middle, this image is this. What is there? So this. So in between middle means full stop and this. Here image inserted. Right now I have not given any align attributes. I have not used any align attribute. Now I am going to use align attribute. See what happened. By default it is such type of alignment it has taken, right? Its bottom is matching with the bottom text. See, means its bottom is matching with this line only. See, m, bottom of m, bottom of a, bottom of b. Here I think you are capable of seeing. Here means bottom of h means half of g, right? So it is aligning like that only, right? Now I am changing its value of align attribute. So here it is, means I am going to use align attribute, and then I will change the align attribute to show you the how it is appearing. So align is equal to, first of all I am giving it top attribute, right? So align top within double quote. You can give it or not give it. I told you before that double quote when it requires, when it does not require, and we need to write the double quotes. Control S, Alt Tab, and function key F5. See, so I gave it top, align top. The value of align is top here. So it is aligned according to the top of the text, that is inline image. So this image is aligned, this image is aligned to top of this line. See this line, values which are left, right, middle, full stop. Now, which text it is taking as a reference? It is aligning it to the top of the text. So which text it is taking as a reference? So it will take the reference the tallest text of that line. So here the tallest text of that line is T here, capital T, B, capital B, middle, capital M, again T. So I also inline I, whatever text will be longest in that line of text, that text it will take as a reference. So here it is top aligned. It is aligned top to the word or text or line. That's it. Now again, give it the value top, then give it bottom and see what happened. Bottom, save it and see here by pressing F5, refresh key. See here bottom. So it aligned itself to the bottom of the text. And which text it is taking now as a reference? So this, see here, T is, it is below to this T also here. I think you are capable of seeing the preview of in a large size. With all the words, here it is aligned also, ALIGN, where G is there. So it aligned itself to the bottom of the G, this G, right? Or this G, which is in going and which is in align. So this G, it aligned itself to that G text bottom surface, right? So this way it aligned itself. Then if we will write here middle, what, we cannot use center here, the value of align is middle. Center maybe it show you the result, but we will use middle, as in your book given middle, we will use middle align, save it, and now see in preview, see what happened in middle alignment. It aligned to the middle of the line. See, half is upside, half image is downside of this image. So it is aligned middle of the. Then is, if you aligned two more values of left and right. So if you will write left, then it will align to the left of the margin, right? So here see, in that line only it aligned itself to the left of the margin. And if you will give right here, RIGST, right, save, then in that line only it will be aligned itself to the right of the margin, right? So text are appearing in a straight line and it aligned itself, whatever the size of the image is, whole of the image will align itself to the right of the margin or left of the margin, but from that line onward, right? So whatever text will appear after that, right, it will appear in a even space, or if word size will be of more length, then that word will appear from the next line. So this is how it use the, how we use the align attribute with the img tag. And when we use align attribute with the img tag, then we say that inline image, we are aligning the image according to the line. So that's it about inline. Now the question is that if we want to align the image according to the page, center of the page, then what we will do? Then suppose there is an image, separate one image only, and that we need to align to the center of the page, then we use in such situation center tag separately. Center tag separately we will use. We will not use align attribute in such circumstances. So what I am saying, see, I am going to align one more image, that is this image only. I am taking as a reference, no problem here. Done. IMGSRC, same image I have taken here, and now I am not using align attribute. Instead of using align attribute, I will use center tag. As I told you before, also in previous lesson video only, I told you that center tag. So center tag align in paragraph. I think in paragraph, when we were in paragraph going through, then we have seen this center tag. So center align the paragraph to the center of the page, and this center only align the image to the center of the page. So write center tag and use IMG IMG tag, insert one image, and again end this with center, must end with center tag again. And now see the output. See here, this image is aligned to the center of the page. Now increase its size also, let it be 150 and 150. Now save, and now see function F5C. So this is how we align the image according to the page. So according to the page, how we align the image? By the help of center tag, and in line we align the image by giving align attribute, right? So this is about align attribute and center tag. So till the time, prepare for your online examination and refresh yourself also, so that you may be able to prepare for your examination also very well. So refreshing yourself also, right? Thank you.